I have in front of me a 2 megapixel bullet camera. It comes with 20 meter IR, 3.6 millimeter lens, and it's a hybrid camera, which means that it'll support a range of technologies in TVI, AHD, CVI, and also it's backward compatible to work with 960H semi-HD DVRs. So it's available with low-cost small parcel shipping, and we have a very easy guide on our web page just to indicate exactly what technologies and what top DVRs will work with. So the main ones that we're selling these with are with the Hikvisions, but because of the flexibility of the technologies and the resolutions it can be set to, it'll really work with virtually any DVR that's on the market. So let's just come along and we'll have a quick look at what we get. We get the outer box here, we have a user manual which is in English, with 3 plugs and 3 screws here for mounting it on the wall. We add on the following information sheet with the camera itself. So what's happening here is we're saying that if you buy the camera and you discover that your DVR will say is CVI, all you have to do is grab the toggle button here and press it upwards for 5 seconds. And it tells the camera work in TVI or CVI mode. Down, it'll go to TVI. Over to the right, it'll go to AHD, and to the left, it'll go back to a lower resolution 960H, but it'll mean it'll work perfectly with older DVRs. Okay. If we look at the camera itself, you see it's extremely neat. There's adjustment here, so what we can do is we can twist and rotate and set it in exactly the position that we need to point it. And also if we come along and we look, we have a total of 6 LEDs here on it, and that gives quite good nighttime vision. What I'll actually do here is just demonstrate that in a moment. So what we do now is we just have a camera set up here about 1 meter away from our sign. You can see it on our screen here, and as we knock off the light, we'll see it goes blank, and then probably within about 3 to 4 seconds just comes back here. And now what we have is quite clean, crisp images on this as well. Okay, we'll just knock that back on. So overall, we'll say this is a really great spec, comes in at a great price, and the flexibility of this is extremely important to us, and it's very important to customers as well, because what we're looking for is life used to be quite simple with CCTV. I was higher TVLs all the time, and that was fine. But what's happened as it's moved into the HD space is that it's gone for a whole range of non-interusable technologies such as TVI, AHD, and CVI. So to have a camera that can work with any of these technologies is very important, and it means that when you're investing in the cameras within this range, you know what's going to work with both your current DVR and also any possible future investment on it. But the picture resolution is great again. So that's it. An overview of the 2 megapixel bullet camera with a 3.6 millimeter fixed lens, available directly from freetv.ie.